Recording this shit.
That is fucked up. We're just recording this shit right now.
Oh, wait till you read.
Oh man. Hey buddy, you're going on YouTube.
If he turns and he guns, he's going.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
Recording.
Alright guys, dodge in the fucking blizzard. Look at that shit. Oh! Go! Yo, if he hits that car, man. Oh! Holy shit, how did he miss that? How did he miss that? Oh man. Yo, hit the bus. Like, there, hit the bus. Oh my god. That guy hits the bus. Oh,
This guy's so careless, bro.
yeah, but yo, the fact that he was able to avoid all that shit, man. That's amazing. That's some skill.
Wow.
Oh man, alright.